Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we take a Spectrum Dx5E and we have attached Aloft Hobbies extra axis gimbal. As you can see, this right stick here has roll, altitude, and then rotate this top little knob here for the rudder. And then it has a little momentary switch down there for the camera or whatever. This stick still controls the throttle and still controls the rudder. Sorry about that. Now this is a controller modified so I can use it with 1.5 hands easier. This is just to show people that have a disability that anything is possible if you set your mind to it. And if you want to do it, someone out there must have the same frame of mind. So contact lots of people. Okay.